case, so pursuant to negotiations today, this is amended to a 2-point speeding violation.
Thank you very much.
I saw the order at the last. Jonathan Porter, 22CR 049567. Is your true name Jonathan Jamal Porter?
Yes.
Mr. Porter, the state has filed a criminal complaint charging you with attempt murder with use of deadly weapon, discharging firearm at or into occupied structure or vehicle. These are 2 felony offenses. Did you receive a copy of that criminal complaint this morning?
Yes.
I see the counsel here. Our next different counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Christina Voldell. We met with Mr. Porter. He lives in Los Angeles. We asked that reasonable bail be set. Obviously, allegations in this case are of the nature that bail would be set in the ordinary course. We to no contact with the victim involved in this case.
Your Honor, the state is requesting bail in the amount of $75,000. According to the NPR, the defendant is a moderate and it looks like he does not really have ties to the community. He lives in California. He also has a bench warrant issued out of Good Springs in case 20MCG006161. He also does have a prior misdemeanor conviction. The instant offense, instant charges here are violent in nature. The defendant, during the course of an argument, pulls out a gun and shoots at a vehicle that is actually driving away. So based upon the nature of the charges in this case, the defendant's lack of ties to this community and his bench warrant that was issued out of Good Springs, I'm going to be requesting bail in the amount of $75,000.
Right.
Through the Good Springs court, I mean, obviously he's entitled to bail on that, right? And I don't necessarily think that the $75,000 bail is inappropriate. I think 50 would also be appropriate. That is fine. But otherwise, I submit to the court. I think $50,000 is equally appropriate.
Okay, thank you. I have to take into consideration a number of factors here. He was arrested on an outstanding warrant on a much less serious case. He's likely to be released at the age of 25. He appears to have a minimal history, if any. Looks like an arrest in 2016 and a misdemeanor conviction. It looks like he's got a number of people supporting him in the courtroom today, including, I've been told, a fiance and some friends and some business associates.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you. I am going to set bail in this case based on the nature of the charges. The allegations are quite serious and could have been much worse. $50,000 is a reasonable amount of bail. Bail will be set in the amount of $50,000 cash or surety. It's likely that Mr. Porter is going to make that bail amount. Upon his release, he is ordered to comply with standard conditions of release. He's ordered to stay away from and have no contact with Cantabious Trailer, the alleged victim of this case. Mr. Porter, you're advised, and you will be advised in writing, that if you violate that order through any means, including third parties or any other means, that would likely revoke your release, or there could be other penalties. You must stay out of trouble. That's a condition of anyone's release. Of course, stay in contact with your attorneys, and of course, make the necessary court appearances that they advise you to make. If you fail to comply, a warrant for your arrest could issue. You would face extradition back to the state of Nevada from California or wherever else you may be found. Do you understand everything, Mr. Porter?
Yes.
All right, counsel, based on my ruling here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Attorney Paul.
Ms. McNeil, may I recall your cases?
Yes.
Recalling Amina Hives, 22CR 034-555-002.
And Mr. Corrado, this case is resolved. Today she's going to unconditionally waive her right to preliminary hearing. In district court, she's going to plead to attempt to arsonate from the person or robber.